Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you? I hope everyone is well. Now I will show you how to in-skin video setup. Now we'll move to Chrome browser. Search now m.youtube.com. I will make Chrome browser a desktop site. Click here your profile logo. Then click your channel. Click here customize channel. Click here your content. Select a video. Click here in description. Select the one you like. Then click choose your video. Select any one video. It's just the way I did it. Take it to higher, set the end skin. Save now.